In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add your TD Bank card to digital wallets. First is for iOS, you need to open first the official TD Bank app and then find the settings and head to Apple Pay. Once you're inside here, you need to open your wallet app, which is your Apple Pay, and then tap the plus icon or the add card. Once you click this, you need to enter your TD card details and follow the prompts for verifying the bank details of your card. And once this verification is done, you can now click the Save button and your card will now be added. Next is for Android. For example is we will be using Google Wallet. You can look for a scan QR code option to add your Visa or debit card in the Google Wallet. Now, I want you to head to the Add to Wallet or the Add icon of the Google Wallet and select the payment card. Once this is selected, you have to position your card into the Google Wallet screen and verify the card within the TDF via SMS or via email. And there, your TD card will now be saved in your Google Wallet. And that's it. That's how you can add your TD Bank card in your digital wallets. And thank you for listening.